inside and out. Boy, howdy.
You hear that Camry and stuff?
Yeah.
Jump, 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 jump.
She's shining. It's nice. Now I get to cut out a whole bunch of stuff in the back here.
We finally have something else to do.
Yeah, we got something else to do. Build another BMW. We already started on this one, but we're changing the intake manifold, or the turbo manifold, the turbo. We're adding a Winners to this. We're putting back in, actually I guess we're putting back in a Winners, and we're putting back in the dog box. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. Should be quick. All the hard fab work is done. We're gonna need to redo exhaust and intercooler piping, but besides that, everything should just bolt right up. Exciting. But we gotta cut out that little spot right in there for the Winners diff to fit, because this one already had a Winners in it previously, but it was a V1 of the Winners for E46, so it hung down really low. The next one that we got is actually tucked up a lot higher, so we're gonna actually have to cap like we did in the F30, because the diff will actually fit up through this. So this is gonna have to come out, and we'll end up just doing some kind of metal plate over top of it out of aluminum, and then have them either paint it silver, you know, off the car, and we can just bolt it on. That way they don't have to repaint all of this beautifulness that they already just did. Hey, we're gonna put it inside. If you can't tell, it's very bright out right now.
Or the car's just really bright.
That too. That'd be a good insert. Stainless, let's heat treat that. Oh yeah.
¿Dónde están las bebés? And people can't kick it.
Wire man.
I found the goods. So we're going to start laying out our wiring for the ARC panel. It's all very straightforward because we don't have to worry about CAN bus integration or anything like that. So all of this stuff is just going to get ran to whatever we're running it to. So this one that has two, it's going to be for our headlights and taillights. We have one for our electric water pump, one that's going to go to our brake switch, one that's going to give switched power to our ECU, a bunch of different stuff. So we're going to kind of just plan it out, label our relays, and then run it from one side to the other, and then we can terminate the ends and put some nice connectors on it. And we'll show you all of the cool stuff we got from our new wiring hookup.
Oh, we got that?
We got some of it, not all of it, but we also have custom Drift HQ printed heat shrink, which I can't wait to show you guys.
Are we allowed to talk about it?
I don't know.
We haven't said the brand, so we're just talking about the items from the brand.
Yeah. Is it wire?
Where is the ARC?
Can't show you this stuff so well.
Oh, there you got the ARC.
I have the ARC. The ARC has been integrated into the dashboard.
Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that.
Inlaid, so it doesn't stick out all crazy like. And then you don't have your ribbon actually sticking on the outside of it.
Oh,
the
that's
ribbon,
true.
The ribbon hides on the inside. You should be recording this. Is it recording?
That's recording. This one doesn't have fancy light.
Oh, so then you could
so
just be.
You only know red light, and you think that you need to get after it.
Yeah, you can just sneak it.
Oopsie.
So yeah, I still have to mount this up.
Oh, you did the thing?
I did the thing.
Did a little slice.
You don't want to touch that. It's gonna make you really itchy, Joe.
Cool.
You know.
So we're really throwing it back old school now. We went away from can stuff and went to the stuff that, you know, just
The old ARC panel.
With our AM Infinity too.
Circa 2012. Yeah.
Love it though.
But hold on, we're going back in time, but we're also going forward in time because this is an air conditioning unit for a cool suit.
Air conditioning?
I mean, it's gonna air condition his body. Nothing else in the car. Well, not technically, it's just a shirt. They haven't made the rest of it yet.
Yeah, they do. It's called retro air. You put it underneath your dash.
Oh, no, I'm talking about a cool suit.
Ah.
Like,
Yeah, shut up. For the guys.
for the boys. Yeah, it's for the boys. Literally. Yeah, we're gonna work on it.
Like
but this
what?
is all, I'm not gonna talk about it on camera.
Okay.
But yeah, I have something
Like
that,
you're saying like what like 80s and 90s cars came with.
yeah,
They all came with it.
yeah, kind of.
You just gotta aim it towards that direction.
No, it's the different. I'm glad you're aiming that way because I'm on a different plane, which is good. Let everyone think I want to put air conditioning in the car. I do not. And I want to put this dash in, and then we're gonna flock this dash because, as everyone knows, shiny dashboards do not do very well when you're trying to drive because the sun shines through, reflects off of that, and reflects off of your windshield, and you can't see a GD thing. So we're gonna see if Chris still knows how to flock. Maybe flock this. You don't want to do it.
Listen, I flocked a shitty old, 20-year-old E46 dashboard and it came out okay. You want me to flock a carbon fiber HGK dashboard? A little less appealing to me.
Whatever, you make me cut into them all the time.
Yeah.
It's like, take a $2,000 dashboard. Hey, cut some holes in it, Cricket.
Cutting stuff.
No, I don't. Definitely not this stuff. It makes you itch. I'm gonna itch for the next 2 days.
Either itching or bitching. I think one or the other.
Both of them.
Yeah.
So wait, this car still runs on a AEM Infinity?
AEM Infinity 6, yeah.
Oh.
But you
Yeah,
know what?
it's
This
got a
thing's
big
been
ass
great
hole
to us for as long as we've had this thing in here. It's been the same ECU, never had any issues with it. But we have ran everything pretty much off the ARC panel. We have not actually used any of our outputs from here to like
No, we don't.
run our fuel pumps, to run our radiator fans, or any of that stuff. So we are running it in the most basic version possible. Alright, so we are back to building more 2Js. We outlined in the past pretty much all the specifics on how to build your 2J, all of the basic assembly spots and like, what gaskets and parts and stuff to use. One thing we didn't cover though is the different variations you can do with 1Js, 2Js, VVTI, non-VVTI and all that stuff. So this one, you remember our Canadian buddies brought over our brand new Toyota GTE bottom end, which is sweet because you can still get brand new bottom ends from Toyota, but we put a GE head on it. Whereas in the F30, we actually have a GE bottom end with a GTE head. And all that stuff overlaps and translates over perfectly fine. You just use a GTE head gasket if you're using it on a boosted application. So we're getting ready to put this one together. This is actually gonna be the motor for Mona Lisa, because Mona just got out of paint, so we're super excited to get that car put back together, and the paint looks really nice. So standard operating procedure for all the stuff that we do with these 2Js. We always take off our backing plate on our oil pump. Make sure that's well lubricated, so you can see this is completely dry, not a drop of oil in it. So just pop all these screws out of the back, oil that up. We have our OEM Toyota gasket set. We use everything OEM Toyota. So this one, because it's a GE bottom end and the GE water pump and stuff is a little bit different. We use everything GE for the gaskets, cam seals and all that stuff. And then we just use a GTE head gasket to compensate for, the boost that we're gonna be running. Got all of our cam caps in order. We got our KRC pump, all of our cool Rad Industries brackets and stuff like that. OEM water pumps. And of course, we have to put the bolt sets on there because everything looks better with fresh hardware.
We sell them.
Yeah, we sell those on drifthq.com. Now we're gonna grease this bad boy up a bit. So, everybody, this weekend, go work on your cars. Get some stuff done. I gotta work on my car this weekend too. You up there feeling real neglected. So, enjoy your weekend. Like, comment, subscribe. Buy some stuff from Drift HQ.